Welcome back to another edition of History in Your Own Backyard. I'm Satoli. Today we're in Georgetown, Kentucky at the site of this old abandoned bridge that goes over a set of railroad tracks. Stay tuned and I'll tell you all about it. Built in 1930, this steel stringer bridge, located on where else but Bridge Street, is about 76 feet long and spans a dual line for the Norfolk Southern Railway. The bridge has been closed to traffic since at least 2017 due to structural issues. The city of Georgetown would like to see the bridge repaired and reopened, while Norfolk Southern, who I believe owns the bridge, would just like to have it removed. As of the release of this video in June of 2023, the fate of the bridge is still undecided. Thanks for watching another edition of History in Your Own Backyard. And remember, travel slowly and stop often. I'll see you next time.